So once you put me in handcuffs, then I'm done. That's it. I'm going to jail.
You're being detained. I think you had enough.
He can touch me as much as he wants, but then he runs to a camera where I retaliate, and then he calls somebody.
On April 16th, 2025, deputies with the Marion County Sheriff's Office responded to a disturbance involving an intoxicated woman accused of attacking her male friend during an argument. Investigators say the woman became enraged after being driven away from a suspected drug house, eventually throwing a liquor bottle that struck the victim in the leg. What started as a late-night argument quickly escalated into a violent confrontation that ended in felony charges and arrest.
What's going on? Hi. How you doing, Amber?
I'm just amazing.
You mind putting the bottle down, please? What's going on today?
She needs to go.
Does she live here?
Huh?
Does she live here?
Not no more.
How long has she been living here?
Maybe a couple weeks.
A couple of weeks. What was the agreement with that?
What was the agreement with that?
Yes.
She's got arraignments coming up, and they keep pushing it back because they're still trying to get enough evidence.
Can you just follow her, make sure she don't do anything stupid?
And we told her she could stay here because he kicked her out of his house. We told her she could stay here until we figure out what's going on with the courts.
Okay.
And she's just spiraling out of control.
She's been on drugs. She's been in substance abuse program. She spent 6 months sober at getting out of Wayside. In December, she was another 3 months sober, and then she relapsed February 22nd, I think it was, and it's just been spiraling. She's an alcoholic. She starts with drinking, but we know she's been on something recently.
What happened today? Did anything physical happen today?
Yesterday she was out of alcohol, so she was here and she was
drugs,
completely,
we think.
and she was completely belligerent. She just harasses him like there's no tomorrow. She's constantly calling him, and this is her fiance. They've been together since they
But
were
her
17.
behavior's spiraling down. It's getting worse.
Okay. Has there anything physical happened today? Anything punches, thrown at anybody, breaking stuff?
She's throwing bottle at people.
At what?
At people.
Throwing bottle.
Her bottle.
Was that happening like tonight? The reason why you guys called, or is that?
You can look. You can look at our ring camera on that.
You know, wait. Answer my question. Has that happened now? Since you guys have been here before, has she thrown a bottle at any of you guys tonight? Yes or no?
It happened just 10 seconds ago before you guys rolled in.
Who did she throw it at? At you?
Yeah, you were right there.
I didn't see anything being thrown. So what happened?
She just threw the bottle.
Did it actually hit you?
Yeah.
Was it open?
No, it's plastic.
No, but I'm saying, was it an open bottle? Like, are you wet from the bottle?
No, that's close.
Okay. Do you mind showing me that camera footage of that happening?
Yeah.
And you said she hit you with this right here?
Yeah, somewhere. I mean, like I said, it happened fast.
She broke the stick.
I don't know where it hit me, or I don't know if it hit me. I don't know. Like I said, I was hoping by the camera she wouldn't touch me. Usually, you know, she's kind of avoids cameras as much as she can.
No, go back. Okay, cool.
I think I'm gonna go get a restraining order tomorrow.
Might be wise.
Yeah, because she's threatening to write on my work Facebook. She's been like blackmailing me.
How long was the eviction notice that you got?
I never really got it.
Oh, I thought you did.
I know. I went to there and they told me I had to wait. They told me I had to post it on the door and wait 30 days.
Get ready. Who are y'all to each other?
For me?
Yeah, you and her.
We were together.
When was that?
About a month
night?
They have a child in common.
Yeah, they've got 3 kids together.
Child in common.
We got 2 biological kids together, but yeah, she keeps threatening to like write a whole bunch of bullshit on my company work page and try to get me fired.
You live here?
Me? No, I live at that address. Okay. That's what I'm saying. She was at my house. She walked to my house, and that's when she was on my porch, beating on my door, and all kind of other stuff. And then finally, she was like, "Take me somewhere," and I'm like, "Let's do it." You know, because my kid was there too.
And she would just
Fuck you! You're a fucking piece of shit! You're a fucking piece of shit! Fucking shit!
Like she said, I'm ruining her life, but she's the one that
No, I didn't.
walked out. Like, I didn't
Get
think
it for me right now. In the back of, no, I'm not getting it. Get it for me right now. You get it. Get it for me right now. Get it for me. Get it for me. Back up. You get it. Go get it. Back of the truck. No, it's not. Go. Yes, it is.
7066, 10 and 6.
You get out of my face. Go get it. Get out of my face. Not there. Go. Out of my face. Go get it. Stop. Leave me alone. Fucking get it. Leave me alone, Amber. Leave me alone. You left me. I don't have anybody else. Get it. You're the one that goes. Go get it. Finds other. It's in the back. All you gotta do is look. Come with me. No, I'm not coming with you. You trying to hit me? Dude, where would I have taken it? I was in the truck with you.
What was she looking for at this point?
that bottle of alcohol.
Come on, let's go look together.
I made her put it in the back of the truck because it was open, which that was a fight just to get her to do that. And then she couldn't find it, so she said I stole it.
Okay.
But literally, she chased me out of the truck. I don't know if I stole it. I mean, I know why.
Somebody took it. Wait. Somebody took it. Leave me alone, Amber. Took it. No, nobody stole your alcohol. Nobody knew it was there. Get off. Get off. Come on, let's go. No, just get off. It's back there. Look. You lost it on the porch sitting next to you earlier. It's there. Just go get it. Let's go. No, I'll be right here. Leave it there. No, I don't want to go anywhere with you, dude. You're crazy.
Like, I would love to just block her, but every time, I don't even answer her, she threatens to write my company, on the company website. She's very particular about the image of the company.
Hi. What's going on tonight?
Oh, just a great person that you guys love, right?
Why you keep drinking? Like, what's going on tonight? I know some.
Because I've been through shit, and you guys don't get it, but it's fine.
You don't get it. I'm trying to get it. You mind explaining it to me?
You won't. Even if I told you, you wouldn't.
Can you try?
You're just here to get a story so you guys can arrest me. I know I'm not stupid.
Why would I arrest you? I don't know
You don't know me. You don't understand.
That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get your side of the story. What's going on? Why are you being called?
So I've been with someone for 19 years, right?
Okay.
And then they all of a sudden just drop me like I meant nothing to them.
Okay.
So yeah, it's hard.
I got you. Why are you guys arguing today?
Because I'm mad. I'm mad that he doesn't. It's like, how do you? He tells me I never see no good in you. Like, how do you not?
Okay.
But again, like I said, you guys are trying to get a story so you can like convict me. That's all. That's all. That
I don't
you
care
guys
about
want.
convicting, but if I gotta do something under the law, I have to do it. It's my job.
Yeah, exactly. That's your job. That's all you care about. You don't care about me.
I actually
You
do care
don't
about
fuck
you
about
guys.
me.
I do. They're telling me that you guys there was an argument and stuff were thrown. Dude.
Well, I'm telling you, if I can go to a friend's, I swear to God, I will not like even try to talk to them. Nothing.
Okay. You have your ID on you by chance?
No.
No? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Can you tell me what happened in there?
Huh?
Can you tell me what happened in there?
What happened and where?
In the house?
In his house?
Right here. The next door.
I mean, what does it matter?
That's why we are here, to investigate what happened.
No, it's pissing me off.
Okay.
Pissing me off. He can touch me as much as he wants, but then he points to a camera where I retaliate, and then he calls on me. It pisses me off.
Okay.
Like, I'm tired. Like, that's a piece of shit. He's literally told me he will never touch me in front of the camera.
So, what did he do today to you?
91, 10-4, 10-6.
He hit me. That's what he did.
When?
When we were in the car.
In the car?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you have any bruises on you or anything to show
I don't
me?
know. You want to check?
Yeah.
Where's that? Gotta be bright, okay? Where?
I don't know. He hit me on my face.
In your face?
Yeah.
Can you tell me where exactly?
I think right here.
You think right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's my face right here. There's only so much.
Gotcha.
So probably like right here.
Okay.
Okay. Where else did he hit you at? Or did he hit you?
No, he just hit me right there.
Okay. Alright. So let's go back to my car so we can talk so we're not on this person's property. Because this is, you know whose house this is?
It's my grandma's.
It's your grandma's? Okay. So can we come back to my car and go talk over there?
And if I can't, you're gonna make me?
Yes, I will make you.
Okay. So basically, I'm arrested.
No, you're being detained for now. But I would
For
like to
what?
speak
For
to you.
what?
You're going to be detained for now. So
For
I walk
what?
back to my car. Okay? Do you mind standing up and put your hands behind your back, please?
Can you not put me in handcuffs and I'll walk there?
No,
Please.
we're gonna put you in handcuffs.
Why?
Because you
What
already
did
walked
I?
there twice. So, can
So
you...
once you put me in handcuffs, then I'm done. That's it. I'm
No,
going to
you're being
jail.
detained. I think you had enough. It's okay. Alright? Go ahead and stand up.
Okay, can I have a cigarette? Can I please have a cigarette?
Stand up. We're doing my time now. Drop the leave the box. Leave the box. Stand up.
I'll help you.
Put your hands on your
You
back.
guys are f***ing assholes,
Put your
dude.
hands on your back.
You.
I
For
got
not
it,
understanding. Like, please understand. Please understand that.
We'll
Please,
figure
can I have
that
some
out
new pants,
afterwards.
please, before I go?
We'll figure that
Obviously, you
out.
guys are gonna fucking arrest me. Can I have some new
We'll figure all that out later. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Can you please stand up, please?
Oh, he runs at me. Me, dude. No, I'm telling no. If he's not, I get fucking arrested because he went in front of the camera. I'm done.
Have a seat, okay? I'll come right back to you, okay? Is your pants in your mom's house somewhere over there?
Yes.
Okay, I'll actually grab some pants, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Can you see? And what? I'm sorry. Here you go. Why did you guys? I guess. Well, she kicked out earlier just because she kept drinking.
I mean, earlier today,
Yeah. Like, how did she end up walking to his house?
we kicked her out because she was getting violent. She actually was going to hit one of our grandkids.
Okay.
And that's a whole different ring camera.
Okay. Why was she gonna hit one of the?
Okay.
Because she's got this paranoia about her that everybody's talking about her and everybody's making fun of her, which is not the case. You know, when kids are embarrassed about stuff, you know how they kind of snicker and laugh.
Mm-hmm.
For some reason, she singled him out, and she was on that side of the counter, and he was standing in the kitchen, and she was pointing at him, acting like she was going to go after him. She's just
So she was barking at him, yelling, pointing at him, being like aggressive.
very, very aggressive.
Did she ever at any point like go and try to swing at him, or
No,
it was
she
just...
wouldn't have been able to do that because she was on the between the sink and the counter bar was between her and him. He was standing near the island.
Gotcha. So they just pretty much argue back and forth, and she's just...
He wasn't arguing with her.
Oh, she was arguing.
She's just spiraling out of control.
Gotcha.
And she was drinking in front of everybody, which she's never done before. So I don't know if she was doing that to make a statement, but it's hard to tell because she says so many random things. I don't even think she's logically thinking half the time.
Yeah.
Well, she was drinking already at that point too, so she's been drinking all day.
Oh,
Okay.
She started in the middle
Earlier.
of the night last night.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because I think Tim said even right in front of you that she was driving him so nuts that he just went and got her something and got it to her last night. Because when we went to bed at 10 o'clock, she was still on the lanai, but when I got up at 2 o'clock in the morning, she was still there.
Gotcha.
And then this morning, the bottle all of a sudden magically appeared. We were trying to figure out, well, did she call an Uber or did someone get it? But he said he brought it to her.
Gotcha. Okay.
So she'd been drinking maybe from 2, 3 o'clock in the morning all the way until we told her she needs to get out.
Gotcha. Okay.
So
Do you have your ID by any chance?
I have to go get it. Yeah.
Yeah, can you grab it? And can you grab her a pair of pants because she has urinated all over herself. So.
I thought you got to grab her.
No.
No, I was worried.
You can come in if you.
All right. Can you put your feet down and everything?
Want to help you out, okay? I need to roll over.
Turn your
I
hip
can't
down.
really do anything right now.
Amber,
Yes.
I need you to turn your hip this way.
I can't. Like I said, I can't really. This is all I can do.
Try your best. There you go.
Just like that.
Okay. Like, why can't it help me? Fuck, just embarrass me a little bit?
Nope. All right.
I want to help you out a little bit, okay?
Put your feet down. There we go. There we go. Yep. Now can you slide your butt right here? All right. I got you.
I just want to talk to him for a second.
All right.
Please?
Now put your feet in right here.
Can I just talk to you for a second?
Yeah, I need you to put your feet right here. Can you do that for me? All right. I got you some shorts, some pants, and some new underwear for your mom, so you can change later on. Okay? I need you to put your feet in here. All right, so you can turn your body that way. There we go.
Is he gonna come talk to me?
Can't
or
talk
no?
to you right now. But later, when everything else is done, everything's said and done and set in stone, we can, okay?
So what's the point of this?
You normally do that?
What? This?
I'll put your
Yeah.
seatbelt on, okay? I'm
I
gonna
had a
help you
guy.
out.
I had a situation before, so.
What's the point of this? I don't
I did
understand.
the same thing, drunk.
You screwed that way.
Do I
hit his head?
He hit his head, and I told him, I was like, we're not doing this.
What's the point of this? Why?
Usually I let them
Why?
okay, because.
What's the point of this? That's what I don't understand.
Safety. It's safety. That's the point.
She's back on.
All right?
So he doesn't give a fuck.
You can't talk to you right now, okay? But I need you to relax, okay? All right.
You already interviewed her already?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Actually, I might actually a specific question.
There you go.
Well, we'll see what happens. Hey Amber, I got some specific questions. But I gotta read you this first, okay? All right. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. You have forward to hire a lawyer. Will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You decide at any time to execute these rights, not answer any questions or make any
I
statements.
don't care. Can I lay down a little bit?
Okay, just give me 1 second. Once I'm done, then I can tell you. Okay? Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
All right. You want me to continue talking to you?
I don't really understand them, but okay. I just want to get there.
You want me to read it for you again?
No.
No? Okay. So you understand those rights?
Do you understand how it feels to love somebody for 19 years and they don't go?
I got you. Well, since you understand those rights, I'm gonna ask you. Anytime you don't have to talk to me, say you don't want to talk. Okay?
I don't want to talk. So I don't want to talk. Okay, leave me the alone.
Cool. All right.
Okay, bye.
After speaking with both parties and reviewing the scene, deputies placed the woman under arrest on charges related to the incident. She was transported to the Marion County Jail as the investigation continued. As always, all suspects are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. If you enjoyed this body cam footage and want to see more real police encounters, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload.